Hey guys, happy Saturday. We are on the way to Jess's sister's house, and we're gonna hang out with my sister-in-law, my brother-in-law. They live down the shore, so we are gonna go take a ride down and then maybe hit the boardwalk and do all kinds of fun stuff. So I brought all of my Fuelings with me in this little bag that I've shown before in some videos. I got it on Amazon. It's an insulated bag. It's completely frozen, and inside is where I keep all of my Fuelings, like bars and things that could melt. Here, let me turn the camera around and show you what I did. And then I have extra Fuelings and a little bit of sunscreen and things like that. I have my big bottle of Fiji water, and I have an extra Fueling here, the cinnamon sugar sticks. I did eat my lean green earlier and I forgot to film it for you guys, so I apologize for that. And then for the ride down, oh, I just dropped it. And then for the ride down, I love these. These are the Perrier Peach. This one's nice and cold because it was in my refrigerator, but 0 calories. I don't even think there's any sodium in this. Nope. Here's the label. 0 all the way down. It's just a little bit of it's a seltzer with a little bit of flavoring. So I have that. Jess is finishing packing up the truck. Say hi, Jess.
Greetings.
And yeah, so that's it. So we're gonna head out. Are you ready?
It's so hot today, I swapped out my bandana for a headband.
Yeah, it is hot. It's 92, it's 93. Nice. It's hot.
It's nice. It's just you sweat, but it's nice. It's nice out.
It's nice. I'm wearing this is the shirt that I got the other day. I showed you from Marshall's. No, from Nordstrom Rack. It's just, I got it in a medium because I thought, but it's very loose, but I don't mind it. It's very good. And then I'm wearing my jean cutoff shorts, and I have on my Steve Madden shoes. And then in a bag in the back, so for when we hit the boardwalk tonight, if it's, sometimes by the ocean, it can get very windy and cool. I brought in a separate bag, a little hoodie and a pair of white sneakers. So I am prepared for all of that. Jess is bringing his amp speakers, or whatever they're called, and some of his mic and things, because my brother-in-law Sean also plays in a band. He plays the drums, he plays guitar, so they're gonna jam a little bit, and that's about it. So Jess and I are heading down, and we'll see you when we get down to the beach.
Once felt I'm done with the defense, drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights.
Should we do it, guys? Look at this straight drop.
Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I, floating on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.